Unlock the secrets to make $750 to $2,400 per month. In today's video, I'll reveal how you can use the power of AI and Google Trends to create engaging content that attracts views and builds an audience. But before I'll reveal the steps, I will give you an idea first of the concept of our online earning video today. Take a look at this YouTube channel. Recently, I discovered a channel called Downtown, which focuses on popular celebrity news. For instance, they created a video about Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez, who are currently trending, and within just 3 days, the video racked up 40,000 views. This surge is due to the topic's popularity, and despite their relatively modest subscriber count, they're attracting around 600,000 views per month. Given that the average RPM for celebrity news channels ranges from $1.25 to $4, this channel could potentially earn between $750 and $2,400 monthly, and I believe they might be generating even more. So, to do this, let's go to step 1. Identify trending topics. I utilize Google Trends in a unique way to find new trending topics. By clicking on Trending Now, you can explore various popular subjects, ranging from sports and politics to celebrity news. There's a trend for just about everything. With the available filters, you can specify the trend location, start date, and view only active trends. In fact, over thousands of people have searched for these topics within the last 24 hours, giving you a significant opportunity for your video to go viral if you create content around any of them. I'll demonstrate how to do this with just one click. For instance, consider the Social Security trend. You'll see a detailed breakdown along with popular news articles about it. This trend involves hackers potentially stealing the Social Security numbers of all Americans, and our goal is to convert these articles into YouTube videos. Before proceeding, let's do a quick check. Take the topic you've chosen and enter it into the search bar. Make sure to switch from web search to YouTube search. A noticeable spike indicates high search volume on YouTube. For the topic I selected, it's clear that it's gaining traction. One channel with only 30,000 subscribers recently created a video on it that received 150,000 views in just 2 days. Step 2. Generate video content. Now let's go to unveil AI. This tool transforms any line of text into custom videos, and today we'll focus on converting popular articles into trending videos. On your unveil AI dashboard, you'll find the workflows available. Click on Explore All and select News Video. This powerful feature enables you to create videos from articles with just one click. You may ask how it works? First, you'll need to provide a detailed prompt for your video, which should include elements like duration, tone, and overall appearance. Personally, I go back to Google Trends, choose one of the trending articles, copy the title, and use it as the topic in my prompt. From there, you can guide the overall look of the video. I typically instruct the bot to create a 2-minute video that starts with a strong hook to capture viewers' attention. I also aim for it to be serious, informative, and fast-paced. But you can certainly get more creative and add additional details. In the next field, you'll need to include the article link. Simply head to your article, copy the link, and paste it here. Step 3. Customize video elements. After that, you can select the background music. Next is the voiceover. You can either pick from the extensive unveil AI library or, even better, clone your own voice by navigating to Plugins, then Voices, and following the straightforward instructions. You can also add subtitles, with various options available to suit your preference. Once you've completed your customizations, click Continue. Here, you'll see the full prompt, which you can further edit, if you wish. When you're satisfied, click Generate a Video, and unveil AI will begin summarizing the article, writing the script, and editing the entire video for you. Step 4. Generate and edit video. We generated this video using just a prompt, which is truly impressive, but there's more. We can enhance it further. YouTube's fair use policy allows you to use clips from other videos under specific conditions, such as for commentary, as long as you're not merely copying the content. To add a professional touch, I gathered some relevant clips from YouTube instead of relying solely on stock footage. Once we've generated the video, click on Edit, where you can modify the media, script, and music. If there's a sentence in the script you dislike, you can easily remove it. Or if you want to insert a new one, just press Shift and Enter to paste the new line, and unveil AI will adjust the video accordingly. This section allows for significant modifications. You'll see the clips used in your video, and selecting one will highlight the corresponding text in yellow. If you're not satisfied with the clip selection, you can search for new clips or even upload your own media. I've uploaded some clips from YouTube, and I'll replace a few stock footage segments with these new ones. It's a straightforward process. First, select the clip you want to change. Check the highlighted text to understand the scene, then choose a new related clip and click Replace. Just like that, you've updated the old clips. For quicker edits, you can use the text box to request changes to music, voiceover, or add subtitles, all with a simple prompt. When you're finished, downloading the video is just one click away. Step 5. Expand reach. This is fantastic. I'm really pleased with the results, and I don't notice any significant differences compared to other viral videos. The key difference is that we didn't have to spend countless hours making these videos, which allows us to produce more content in less time, ultimately increasing our chances of going viral. If you want to enhance those chances even further, here's what you can do. As you've observed in Google Trends, you can explore different trends in various locations. For instance, if you select Spain, you'll discover the top trends there. Additionally, InVideo AI supports multiple languages, and you can easily use the text box to dub your videos into a new language. I strongly recommend broadening your reach by creating videos in different languages that align with the active trends in those areas. By pairing a highly searched topic with an attractive thumbnail and a professionally crafted video, you'll unlock the key to success. You can try InVideo AI for free, but I highly suggest opting for the paid plan if you're serious about this side hustle and want access to all the amazing features. So in today's video, we've explored how to use AI and Google Trends to create engaging YouTube content that uses trending topics, potentially earning significant income. We see the importance of consistency and timely uploads. Using tools like InVideo AI can transform popular articles into captivating videos with ease. Remember to stay updated on trends, create catchy thumbnails, and consider expanding into different languages for a broader audience. With dedication and the right strategies, you can effectively build your channel and maximize your earnings. Don't forget to take action and start implementing these techniques today. Now, it's time for me to hear from you. I'd love to know your thoughts on this matter. What trending topic are you most excited to create content around, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your profits. Join us on this journey at Profitability Plus, and let's start building your success together.